Question number 5 wants us to find the volume of the cylinder. So our formula for the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times h. And I always think about a stack of pancakes when I look at this formula, which is kind of funny, but if you look at it, pi r squared, that is the area of a circle. So that would be like one pancake here. And then you're multiplying that by h, which is the height, or that's the number of pancakes that you have. So that's just kind of a funny way of looking at where the formula comes from. Anyway, for this problem, it's going to be pi times the radius, which is 6, squared, times the height, which is 8. So if you type in the pi key times 6 squared times 8 on your calculator, and then round to the nearest tenth, this will be 904.8 cubic centimeters.